here the span AC here. Okay, so if I consider the span AC here, I'll be getting this. Let me zoom out. So considering your span AC, so this will be VA into this distance, which is 12, minus HA into this distance, this is 5 meter. Now there will be a moment due to this half of the UDL. So it will be minus 20 is the value of the UDL into the half span, it is 12. Now the resultant will be at 6 meter. So 20 into 12 into 6 equal to 0. So from here you'll get the value of HA and HB. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt you can ask? Okay. So from here you'll get the values of HA and HP, which is equal to 288 kilonewton, and the values of VA and VB, which is equal to 240 kilonewton. So this is the first part. You have calculated the support reactions here. Now the next part of the question is saying that you need to calculate the resultant. Now what is this resultant? Okay, let me draw this. So see. So at A support, there is a horizontal force HA. Okay, this is your horizontal force HA here. Then at your A support, there is one vertical force here, VA. Okay, this is your VA. So there will be a resultant acting like this. Okay, there will be a resultant acting at A, which is denoted by RA. Okay, and the inclination of this resultant from the horizontal is denoted as theta A. Okay, this is denoted as theta A. So the next part of the question is saying that you need to calculate the value of this resultant and the value of this theta A. What is the inclination of this resultant from A? So how will you calculate? How will you calculate RA? Any method how to calculate this resultant?
Sir, root under HA plus HB. Root under.
Yeah. You can see the angle between HA and VA is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So I know the standard formula for RA. It is square root of HA square plus VA square. Just take the square of this and take the under root. So that will give you the value of the resultant here. Okay. And how to calculate theta? Yeah.
Doubt? No, sir.
Yeah. Theta will be just tan inverse of perpendicular upon base, VA upon HA. So tan inverse of VA upon HA will give you the value of theta A. This is the value of the resultant at A point. Same step, you will be calculating the value of the resultant at B point. So at B point also, you will be having HB and your VB. Now since you can see the value of the loads are same, your VA and VB is also same, your HA and HB is also same. So the value of RA and RB will be also same here. Okay. Any doubt in this numerical, please ask. Any doubt in the numerical, please ask.
सर थोड़ा ऊपर करिएगा सर.
हाँ.
सॉरी डिफरेंट वाला केस दिखाइए ना एक बार एग्जांपल.
हाँ बिल्कुल. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. हाँ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम.
सर ये इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ रिजल्ट थीटा है सर.
हाँ. Yeah. It is the inclination from the horizontal, that is from the HA.
हाँ सर ठीक है समझ गया.
ठीक है. Understood everyone? Clear? Okay. So we will move on to the next numerical now. now the next numerical. So in this problem, you only have to calculate the support reactions and the value of the resultant and the inclination of the resultant. Now let us see the next problem. So this next problem, you can see the loading has changed now. There is different load here. So the statement is saying as a 3-hinge arch has a span of 30 meters and a rise of 10 meters. The arch carries a UDL of 0.6 kilonewton per meter on the left of the span and two concentrated loads of 1.6 kilonewton and 1 kilonewton at 5 meter and 10 meter from the right end. You have to calculate the support reaction. Okay, so again, we'll go through this statement. So first of all, the given data, the span of the arch is given as 30 meters. So this distance here is given as 30 meters. The rise is given as 10 meters. So the central rise here is given as 10 meters. Okay. So this portion here, this AC, this is identified as the left span, and this portion CB, this portion is identified as the right span. So any portion which is towards the left of C is your left span portion, and any portion towards the right of C is your right span portion. So it is stating that a UDL of 0.6 kilonewton per meter is acting on the left span. So the entire left span is carrying a UDL of 0.6 kilonewton per meter. Then it is given two concentrated loads of 1.6 and 1 kilonewton are at 5 meter and 10 meter from the right end. So please see this. This distances you have to measure from the right end. So the distance of 1.6 kilonewton from the right end is 5 meter, and the distance of 1 kilonewton from the right end is 10 meter. So this is your right end, B point. So at 5 meter distance, this is 1.6. At 10 meter distance, this is 1 kilometer. Clear this diagram? Okay,
तब से
again I'm
5-5 के कंसेक्यूटिव में है ना?
see, the statement
हाँ,
is saying
5-5 के कंसेक्यूटिव. ठीक है.
your 1.6 kilonewton is at 5 meter from the right end. So you measure 5 meter from B point and place your 1.6 kilonewton load there. Then 1 kilonewton is at 10 meter from the right end. So you measure 10 meter from point B and place your 1 kilonewton load there. Clear this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt in this diagram you can ask. Okay. So now let us calculate the support reaction. So again, the same step. We need equations of equilibrium. The first equation I'm taking, summation of fx
Sir.
equal to 0. Yeah.
ये 5 मीटर कैसे आ गए सर? वो सेंट्रल राइज से इधर है ना 1 किलोमीटर का तक वो 5 मीटर कैसे आ गए?
What is this distance?
So 5 meter में 1.6 sir,
Okay,
में
This is 15.
है क्या?
Okay. Your CB
Okay,
is
sir.
also 15. This is also 15. So this is
Your
5
mic.
meter. There's a lot of disturbance, Arun.
Yes sir, got it sir.
सर राइट एंड लेंगे मतलब बी पॉइंट से हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे
B
हैं
point, yeah.
या
B point, yeah. Right hand is B point. Okay, so from B measure 5 meter, so it is your 1.6 kilonewton. From B measure 10 meter, it is your 1 kilonewton. So what is the remaining?
5 meters से
This total is 15. So till this point it is 10. So remaining is 5 meter. Clear?
yes sir.
Okay. Now let us calculate the support reactions here. So support reaction, again the same equation, Fx equal to 0. So from here you will get HA minus HP equal to 0. Then the second equation, summation of Fy equal to 0. So it will be VA plus VB will be equal to, first of all you have to calculate what is the total load of the UDL. So what is the total load of the UDL?
1 kilonewton plus 1.6 kilonewton point load हो गया सर, और UDL है 0.6.
टोटल लोड ऑफ द यूडीएल वो कैसे निकालोगे?
सर 0.6 into 15 into 0.6 by 2.
Yeah. It will be 0.6 into 15 plus 1 plus 1.6.
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, so that is how you are getting this 11.6. That 9 is the total load of the UDL. 0.6 into 15. That is the total load. Okay, so this is the equation for VA plus VB, which is equal to 11.6 kilonewton. Now next step, you have to calculate the horizontal reaction HA and HP. So either you can take AC span or you can take CB span. Any one span you have to take. Okay. Now see. Now here you can see the loading is not uniform. Okay. There is a change in the loading all across the span of the arch. There is a change in the loading. So how to obtain VA plus VB? I'll be using this equation now. Moment at A equal to 0, or you can take moment at B equal to 0. Any one joint you have to consider here. Okay, so let us take moment at A equal to 0. So it will be 0.6 into 15, and the resultant of this will be at center 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Okay, plus now what is the distance of this 1 kilonewton from A?
15 plus 5, 20.
15 plus 5, so 20.
5, 20.
Plus, then this is the next load, which is 1.6. What is the distance of 1.6 from A?
25.
25.
Yeah.
25 into 1.6.
25. Minus, now we have this VB. So what is the
30.
distance of VB from A? 30. So this is negative because this is anti-clockwise.
Yes.
Okay. And rest, everything is clockwise. Okay. So
Yes.
from here, you'll get the value of VB here. So VB comes out to be 4.25 kilonewton. Then you substitute in this equation, you'll get the value of VA as 7.35 kilonewton.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you calculate the support reaction when the unsymmetrical loading is given. This is the first problem where the loading is not same across the span. So same process as we have learned in beam, how to calculate the support reaction, same process you are adopting here. Okay. Now we have to calculate the horizontal reactions HA or HP. So you have to take either span AC or you can take span CB. Any one span you have to take here. So let us take span AC here. So the equation will be, now you have to calculate moment at C point. So it will be VA into 15 minus HA into 10 minus 0.6 into 15 into 15 by 2. See. VA into 15 minus HA into 10 minus 0.6 into 15 into 15 by 2 equal to 0.
Yes.
Clear? Same process,
Yes,
same step, same process. You can take this span or you can take this span. You will get the same answer. Okay. So from here, you can calculate the value of HA, which comes out to be 4.275 kilonewton. So this will be same as your HB. So this will also be equal to 4.275 kilonewton. Now next, you have to calculate the values of the resultant. So this is your resultant RA.
Yes, sir. RA.
Okay, this is your RA, and the other will be your RB. This value here will be your RB. So now you'll be getting different values of RA and RB. Why? Because the values of VA and VB are different. Okay. So same process. How to calculate this RA? It is square root of HA square plus VA
square plus HB square.
For RB, it is square root of HB square plus VB square.